Hello students, today I will teach you how to construct a triangle given two angles and the included sides. How to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. Practice set 4. Construct triangles of the measures given below. Question number 1. In triangle SAT, length of AT 6.4 cm, measure of angle A 45 degree, measure of angle T 105 degree. In triangle SAT, length of AT 6.4 cm, angle A 45 degree, which is an acute angle, and measure of angle T 105 degree. This is an obtuse angle. Okay, so first of all we will draw a rough diagram. We need to draw a rough diagram of triangle SAT. So this is the rough diagram of triangle SAT, in which AT is of 6.4 cm, measure of angle A 45 degree. It is an acute angle, and this angle is of 105 degree, an obtuse angle, angle greater than 90 degree. Now take measure of 6.4 centimeter. AT 6.4 centimeter. Take your protractor, keep center at point A, mark angle of 45 degree. After 40, fifth point is of 45. Draw a ray. You need to draw a long ray because this diagram is little big. Right here 45 degree. Now measure 105 degree. Keep the center of the protractor at point T. Since segment is from left hand side, so you need to measure 0 from left hand side. So this is 90, then after 100, fifth point is of 105. Draw a ray passing through this point. Both the rays are intersecting at this point. This point of intersection is S. Right here 105 degree because angle SAT is of 105 degree. So you can see that this is your required triangle SAT. First of all, you have to draw AT of 6.4 centimeter. Measure angle of 45 degree, draw a ray. Then keep the protractor at point T, draw 105 degree angle, draw another ray. Where both the rays are intersecting, that point is point S. This is your required triangle SAT. Question number 2. In triangle MNP, length of NP is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Measure of angle N 70 degree. Measure of angle P 40 degree. Now we need to draw triangle MNP. In that, length of NP 5.2 centimeter. Since NP distance is given, so given distance will take as base. Then we will draw angle N of 70 degree and angle P of 40 degree. Let's construct a rough diagram first. Triangle MNP we have to draw. M N P. NP is of 5.2 centimeter. Angle N 70 degree. Angle P is of 40 degree. Now draw segment NP of 5.2 centimeter. Take your protractor. You can see in rough diagram angle N is of 70 degree. So 0 and this is 70. Draw a ray. Angle P is of 40 degree. Zero and this is 40. Draw one more ray from point P, passing through this point. Angle P is of 40 degree, angle N is of 70 degree. Where these both rays are intersecting, that point is point M. So this is your required triangle MNP. First of all, you have to draw NP of 5.2 centimeter, angle N 70 degree, angle P 40 degree. Where both rays are intersecting, that is point M. So this is your required triangle MNP. Now we'll solve question number 3. In triangle EFG, length of EG 6 cm, measure of angle F 65 degree. Measure of angle G 45 degree. You have to draw a triangle EGF. Sorry, EFG. Okay, you need to draw a triangle EFG. This is your question number 3. In this triangle, length of EG is given 6 centimeter. So we'll draw first of all rough diagram. EG 6 centimeter. Since it is a rough sketch, you can take any measurement. So EG. You can write here 6 centimeter. In the question, it is given that measure of angle F. Angle F is of 65 degree. Angle G is of 45 degree. But you can see now which angles are given. Angle F and angle G is given, but measurement of this segment FG is not given. EG segment is given and angle E's measurement is not given. So we need to find out measure of angle E. So we will use angle addition property of a triangle. That is, in triangle EFG, angle addition property says that measure of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of measures of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So measure of angle E plus measure of angle F plus measure of angle G is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now angle E is not given, so we will write angle E as it is. Measure of angle E plus measure of angle F is given 65 degree plus measure of angle G is given 45 degree is equal to 180. Measure of angle E plus 65 plus 45, 110 degree. 5, 5, 0, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. So 110 degree is equal to 180. Now measure of angle E is equal to 180 minus 110 degree. So 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. So we have got measure of angle E is equal to 70 degree. So here in the rough diagram, you are getting this measure of angle E, that is 70 degree. Okay, so once again let me explain you. In triangle FEG, measure of angle F is given 65 degree, measure of angle G is given 45 degree, but measure of angle E is not given and base of EG is given. So we need to find out measure of angle E. So we are using angle addition property of a triangle. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore measure of angle E plus 65 plus 45 is equal to 180. So measure of angle E plus 110 is equal to 180. So measure of angle E is equal to 180 minus 110, and 180 minus 110 is 70 degree. So we have got measure of angle E is equal to 70 degree. Now we will construct a final figure. So you can see in rough diagram EG is of 6 centimeter. So you have to draw first EG of 6 centimeter. Next, you can see that measure of angle E 70 degree. Take your protractor, mark 70 degree. Draw a ray. It is 70 degree. Now, according to rough figure, angle G is of 45 degree. So, keep the center of protractor at point G. Mark angle of 45 degree. So, after 40, fifth point. Draw a ray. Where these both rays are intersecting, that point is point F. And angle EGF is of 45 degree. Angle EGF is of 45 degree. And this angle will be of 65 degree. So, what you need to do, you have to draw a rough figure, and in that rough figure base EG was given 6 cm, angle E was not given. So we need to find out angle E, that is of 70 degree. Then first of all you have to draw EG of 6 cm, draw angle E of 70 degree, angle G of 45 degree, where both these rays are intersecting. That point is point F, and this angle EFG will be of 65 degree, or in another way you can say angle F is of 65 degree. This is your required triangle EFG. This is your required triangle EFG. XYZ, length of XY 7.3 cm, measure of angle X 34 degree, measure of angle Y 95 degree. XY we have to draw as base because that segment is given, which is included segment in. So this XY is included between X and Y. So we have to draw a rough diagram. XY is of 7.3 centimeter. Angle X is of 34 degree. It is an acute angle. And angle Y is of 95 degree, an obtuse angle. More than 90 degree angle is an obtuse angle. So you have to draw triangle XYZ. We need to draw triangle XYZ. XY is of 7.3 centimeter. Angle X is of 34 degree. This is 0 after 34th point. Draw a ray. angle X 34 degree, angle Y 95 degree. So this is 90 degree. After 95th point, you need to take 0 from this side, right? From left hand side we have to take 0. Okay, then this is 90. After 95th point is of 95. Draw a ray. Now since this ray is not intersecting, so you have to extend this ray little bit. This is 7.3. And this intersecting point is point Z. This is your required triangle XYZ, where angle Y is of 95 degree, angle X is of 34 degree, and segment XY is of 7.3 centimeter. So first of all you have to draw XY 7.3 centimeter, angle X 34 degree, and then angle Y is of 95 degree. Then where these both rays are intersecting, that intersection point is point Z. Like this you will get required triangle XYZ. Happy learning.